guys are going backwards. Oh, you gotta go with the flow of the creek, hon. Oh. Woo! You scared me. You're rocking the boat. Oh! Don't rock Everett out of there. You see a fish? Oh, you're gonna go down the great white waterfall. You think you can handle that? Okay, wait, bye-bye. Mama's got you.